केसांचे कर्तव्य किंवा म्हणजे व्हॉट इज द ड्युटी, म्हणजे हे असतात किंवा म्हणजे फंक्शन ऑफ द हेअर.
Yes. So, coming towards the function of hair म्हणल्यार the first apart from like सौंदर्य तुम्ही जशें म्हणटा, so main function of hair is like a protection. So now hairs are seen on the body. So bodyचे protection म्हणल्यार it protects the body from the dust particle, again from the UV lights, okay, of the sun. Now again we see like hair on our eyelids. So this again protects the eye from the dust particle. आता even आमच्या आयब्रोजारूय हेअर असता. सो अगेन स्वेटिंग बीन जाता तेन्ना परत ते स्वेट आयान एंटर करपाक जायना, दोळ्यान भितर वचपाक जायना. सो द बेसिक function of the eyebrows is to protect the eyes like from the this thing like water entering into the eyes. Secondly, in the nasal cavity also there are hairs, so it protects dust from entering into the respiratory system. Okay, and the main like the majority of the hair म्हणजे चड प्रमाणान जे आमकां केस असता ते माथ्याक असता, so that is to prevent the your skull and the brain.